welcome back to my channel!
Welcome back!
Woo! Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So today, pupunta tayo sa Tagaytay! Tayo ay mag-overnight staycation kasi bukas ay birthday ni Kuya Jomel. Kasama namin ang buong pamilya. Duncan is here! Duncan! And Nina is here! And then Tito Kermit is here. So we are on our way now to Tagaytay. Kami ay mag-staycation bukas. Check out lang din ulit. Papakita ko sa inyo yung place na nabook namin. And please join us today for our vlog again. Our family date. Family bonding with, of course, my number one fan, Nina!
Hey, stop it!
Pagpasensyahan nyo na kasi wala tayong ligo. Kaya I'm a mess. Wala tayong ligo. Wala tayong ayos-ayos. May muta pa ba tayo? Pasensya na. Okay, see you later, alligator!
Yeah, Duncan swim like this one. You know what, Nina Chamil? I was drowned a while ago, but Danina helped me. Ooh! Danina helped me. He saved my life.
Is it cold?
He saved my life. Thank you, Lord.
Only at first it's
Fix your goggles. It's
Thank you, Lord.
slower.
Danina saved me.
Oh, Daddy will swim now.
Oh.
I think it's alive! Lamig?
Lamig.
Thank you, Lord!
Lamig naman talaga.
Malamig?
Mama Dan, you swim also, Mama Dan. Charap. Lamig.
Wow! Daddy can swim.
Thank you.
Wala makikita.
Hirap.
It's not enough.
Hirap. Hirap naman. Let's go back home na. Basta wala? Ubus na? Ubus na, wala pa ako.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Mani. Nagmasama eh.
Hindi ko nakuhanan yung pagkain natin kagabi. Today is the morning after. Pauwi na kami mamaya. Mas mauna kami ni Arjen. Mas mauna kami kasi kailangan kong pumunta somewhere na importante. And hanggang 11 lang naman. So alis kami mga 9 a.m. Ayun. Kaya, gisingin natin tong bata-batuta na ito. Hi guys, today, can you see if there's a human inside? Let's poke. Wow, is this a pillow? Is this, oh, the pillow is moving. The pillow is moving. Oh, wow, is that a ghost? Oh, hi. Oh. Sleepyhead. Are you still sleepyhead? Naantok pa daw siya. Say good morning to the guys.
Good morning.
Did you sleep well? Where's the head? Is this the head? Or this is the bum bum? Oh, I think this is the bum bum. Is this the bum bum?
No, this is the hand.
That's the head. I can feel the bum bum cheeks. Come on, let's wake up now. Come on. 9-year-old baby girl.
Hell no.
Come on, 9-year-old baby girl.
I'm still sleepy.
Hello, so papunta na kami dun sa kailangan namin puntahan. Nauna kami mag-check out, 9 a.m. kami umalis. Tapos sila ate, mag-check out sila around 11 kasi yung check-in time is 2 p.m. tapos check-out is 11. So, yung Villa Monstera, nakita ko yan sa Facebook. Maganda naman pagpasok namin, malinis, tapos maganda yung room nila, malaki, and yung CR nila malaki din. Kung nakita nyo earlier dun sa mga unang clips ko sa video, makikita nyo naman kung gaano ka linis. And ang maganda sa kanila, may libre silang isang galong tubig, tapos pag naubos mo yon, magbabayad ka na lang ng 50 pesos for another galon gallon of water. Tapos may free silang coffee, creamer, sugar, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, tapos may towel din sila, pero yung towel nila is parang ano lang, tigisa lang yung room, tapos dalawang maliit na towel, tigisa din yung room. So, need mo talaga magdala ng towel. Tapos yung tissue naman, meron naman, pero konti lang siya. So, kailangan mong magdala ng tissue. So, pag naubos na yung mga free na, ano nila, na nakastock doon sa pagdating mo doon sa accommodation or doon sa Airbnb nila, hindi ka na pwede magpa-refill. Kasi maganda rin yung basurahan, malaki yung space. Yun nga lang, be prepared na marami insekto, lalo pag sa hapon or magagabi. Marami insekto pumapasok sa common area kasi walang sarado, walang pintuan. Kung nakita nyo, open lang yung living room, dining room, and kitchen, tapos swimming pool na. So, yun lang yung medyo na pansin ko na hindi masyadong okay. Pero, overall stay namin is maganda, maayos, kausap yung mga tao, tapos lagi sila nag-update kung mag-check-in ka na, tapos madaling tawagin kung sino man ang pwedeng mag-ayos ng kung ano mang dapat ayusin. Malapit lang sila. And pwede ka rin magpa-deliver kung ayaw mo magdala ng pagkain. Nagpa-deliver kami. Hindi ko lang na-videohan kagabi. Kasi, basta hindi ko alam kung ba't ko hindi na-videohan. Kumain na lang kami. So, ayun. Yung price pala is 10,000. Ano ba to sipon na to? Yung price pala is 10,000 pesos for 10 packs. Ano ko yun? Kumbaga man, hindi ko alam kung yun yung price lagi for all. Depende kasi kung gaano kayo kadami or ano, ewan ko. Pero, I suggest na i-message nyo sila tapos tatanungan nila kung gaano kayo kadami. So, for us, it's 10,000 pesos for one night. 50% down payment upon reservation. And, yung another 50% upon check-in. Tapos, may 5,000 silang security deposit na refundable. Kung wala ka namang nasira, makukuha mo naman yun agad-agad. So, ang sakit na ng braso ko sa paghawak dito sa cellphone na ito. So, hanggang dito na lang guys. I'll be closing this vlog. Maraming salamat sa panunood and sana nag-enjoy kayo sa munti namin celebration for Kuya Jomel's birthday. Thank you and see you on my next vlog. Bye for now!